Hi Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, today I got an exciting video. When I tell you guys, I came home and I was literally having one of the most awful days ever, and I just see this huge package like outside my door in my gate, and I'm like, what the heck, I didn't order anything. And I go and I look closer and I see a little sign and it says Pixi by Petra, and I'm like, oh my god, a PR package. So today, Glammies, this video is me unboxing. Well, I kind of was too excited and already opened it, but still I haven't tested any of the products and I don't really know what they are. So this is gonna be an unboxing of my Pixi by Petra PR box, and let's get into it because I'm so excited. So look, this is what Pixi sent me in the mail. Isn't it huge? Look at my head and look at the box. Like, oh my god. So this is the PR package. And on the front, it just says Pixi by Petra and glow in a box. And you guys know that I love glitter. So, like, I'm freaking out. Like, is there glitter in here? I will go crazy. Yeah, so you clasp it up like this. And then it opens up and this is what you see. Do you guys see how beautiful this box is? Like, I'm so hyped. So what we have here, we have two highlighters. We have subtle, oh my god, subtle, sunrise, and delicate dewy, and it says glowy gossamer duo. Glowy gossamer duo is for creamy skin like texture powders. Create a lift from within, luminosity that glows natural in any light. Yeah. So they gave me two highlighters, and if you know me, you know that I don't really switch my highlighters. I always use my Makeup Revolution dripping in gold highlighter right now because it is so beautiful. I be dripping. But I guess I'll be trying out these two new highlighters today. And they also sent the Liquid Fairy Lights, the ultra sparkly liquid eyeshadow with 3D effect to wear solo or on top of any eye look. Oh, you know I'm about to try that out. The top, even the top of the box is pretty. Pixi, glow get 'em gorgeous, XOXO Petra. Oh my god. So I'm gonna start by swatching the duo highlighters for you guys. So this is Subtle Glow, and I'm just gonna swatch it on my arms for you guys. So this is it on my fingers. So these are the two highlighter shades in the Subtle Glow. And now above it, I'm just gonna swatch the two in the Delicate Dew. So these are the two from the Delicate Dew. Now I'm going to swatch all of the Liquid Fairy Lights for you guys. Okay, so the first one that I am swatching is this one, which is so beautiful. I can see me topping it on top of all of my like neutral looks, and this is called Passion. This is called Passion Light. And that's it swatched on my arm. Next we have the Glitter Bare Brilliance, and it just looks like this in the tube, and I'm gonna swatch it on my arm so you guys can see. Ooh, this is a really nice like rose goldy champagne type of color. So that's what that glitter looks like. This one is the Liquid Fairy Lights in the shade Crystalline. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Yes, this is such a beautiful white color, and it has like purple and silver and blue reflex in it. Oh my gosh, this should be called Ice Princess or Ice Queen. Pixi, if you want to hire me, you can. I'm ready and able to make you guys some beautiful glitter sales. This next glitter is called Sunray, and let's see what I'm assuming it's gonna be like yellow or goldy. Yep, it is like a really light type of like pure gold. It's like a pure gold with silver reflexes. Yep. Ooh, this is so pretty. And I wonder if these are gonna dry down super matte because I love a wet type of like eyeshadow look. So if I can make that with this today, I'll be so hyped. Okay, so the last one is called rose gold. Okay, so the one that I was describing as rose gold probably won't be as rose gold as this baby is about to be. Ooh, yes, this is definitely more rose gold. I love every single one of these. They are so pretty. I'm just going to take the subtle highlight palette and I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones. And I'm going to start off with that really, really pretty goldish color, this one, because you guys know I'm obsessed with a nice gold. I have dark skin, so that is usually what works best for me. Oh, yes. I love this gold. That is really pretty. It is really like powdery. I don't think I used the right brush for it because my brush was like a stippling brush and it is wet. So that may have been too much. But do you guys see this highlight? Oh my goodness. What? That's crazy. Wow, this highlighter is super pigmented. Super pigmented, like, oh wow, these are such strong highlighters. Wow. When they said pigmented, they were not playing. Do you guys see this? So for my next, for my eyebrows and my nose, I'm going to take the Delicate Dewy palette just so I can try out all the colors, you know. Let's be extra. And that is what it looks like on my brow bones. Wow, I'm highlighted for days. And I'm just going to take the darker shade and put it on my nose to highlight my nose. I literally just tapped because these highlighters are so insane. I didn't want to like over highlight my nose like crazy. Okay, so I think that color is my least favorite of them all. So in the Delicate Duo, I like the more pinky color way better. Yeah, this champagne-y color didn't really do anything but make me look oily. So now I'm just going to pop on a color in my crease and then I'm going to put on one of these sparkling lights colors because woo, glitter. Okay, so I just popped a bread round color from the Soft Glam palette that my bae recently just got for me. Thank you, bae. I always wanted this palette but I never brought it. And then this is the color Sienna that I put in my crease. And I'm just going to put the color Passion Light all over my lid and try to blend it out and see if this would be like a pretty look I would do. Because if so, this will skip so much work that I do with my glitters. One thing that I do have to note about these is they seem to take a long time to dry. I'm just applying another coat so it can be thicker and more vibrant. On my outer corner, I'm just going to add a bit of Bare Brilliance just to make it kind of look, you know, like a little ombre effect or whatnot. Ooh, those mix really pretty together. Let me just top on a lip color and come back to you guys and give you my final thoughts. Okay, Glammy, so this is it, the final look, and I think that it's really cute. I think that my highlight is shapoppin', if I do say so myself, and I'm really loving the glitter on my eyes. The glitter, it's not really transfer proof. As you can see on my hand, like, glitter does come off, but it sticks pretty good. It's really easy, it's really convenient, so I give the glitter 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of these glitters. They're beautiful, right? The highlighters are also very pigmented and amazing. These are them again, Subtle Sunrise and Delicate Dew. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to thumbs up this video. Really, ma? Really, ma? I was in the middle of a sentence. I was in the middle of a sentence.